Everyone, it's Leslie. I just wanted to send out a quick little getting started video to make sure that you're getting started off on the right foot. So let me check my list and see what things I need to make sure that you're getting done. So first of all, hopefully you've done this already. You need to log into Blackboard. So you can see here on my screen I'm logging in as a demo student. So make sure that you get logged in to Blackboard and then locate our class. Excuse me. So here we are on the course homepage, and you can see that I have some information here for you. A lot of times I will put some little things that you need to be aware of here on our course homepage. But for this video, what do you need to do first? Make sure that you have clicked on the Get Started Here link, either here on the course homepage or right here on this left-hand side of the screen, which I refer to as the Course Tools menu. You'll hear me say that a lot, so that's what I'm talking about, is the left side of your Blackboard screen. So let's click on the Get Started Here, and on this page you're going to find your course syllabus, which is obviously very important. So you can print that out if you have access to a printer, either in a PDF format or a Word document, whichever works for you. I would definitely recommend that you keep that handy, at least the part that has all of the assignments written there, so that you know kind of what's going on and what's coming up. The next thing on our Get Started page is reviewing student resources. I have some tutorials here. There's your help desk if you need help with Blackboard, and then just some other general important resources for students. So use those as needed. The next item is to go over and complete your course overview assignment. Now, one thing that I want to let you know is you do not need to have your book in order to get this overview assignment done. So don't put it off thinking, oh, I'm going to get my book next week or what have you. Make sure that you're paying close attention to the due date, which is listed both on this page as well as in your syllabus. If I don't get your course overview assignment by this due date, then I will probably have to drop you from the class because I need to make sure you're participating. I don't want to do that. So please make sure to get your overview assignment turned into me. Just click on this link right here. It will take you to a little form that you fill out, and that's how you submit it to me. Okay? Next thing is to introduce yourself on the discussion board. So that's also due by the due date you see. So just click on this link. It will take you to the discussion board, and then you just click Create a Thread, and then just give us a brief introduction, and I kind of just give you a couple little parameters on that. And then last thing on this page is how to register for your Pearson course, or I call it my IT Lab course that we'll be using this semester. There are specific instructions here that you can click on that will give you the information on how to register if you haven't done so already. If you have, awesome. These instructions go step by step in order to take you into the My IT Lab site. Now, if you'll notice here, let's see, these instructions obviously are on the Get Started page, but we also have a My IT Lab resource page. Again, I'm on the Course Tools menu, so go ahead and take a peek at that. Not only do I have the student instructions, the registration instructions here, but all sorts of other things that I'll cover in just a minute. As far as registering for My IT Lab, if you don't have your book yet, or you're going to buy just the access code and use the ebook, that's fine. Our publisher, which is Pearson, does give you a 14-day courtesy access to the My IT Lab site. So I would highly recommend that you go ahead and get yourself registered, so that way you can keep up with the class, with our coursework. In these registration instructions right here, I also have instructions on how to update your account once you've bought the access code, if you decide to use that 14-day trial version, so to speak. Okay, so don't let not having your book or not being able to get the access code yet as part of your reason for not getting into My IT Lab. So please get that done as soon as possible. If you need help with that, just let me know. Okay, and then also on the My IT Lab resource page are other videos on how to get started with my IT lab, you know, kind of navigating around. Oh, that's my timer. I try to set a timer so that I don't continue to ramble on and on. So I'm going to say pause if I can turn it off. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. But anyway, that keeps me kind of trying to on point. So my timer says I'm just about up for this video. Last thing I want to leave you with is making sure that you're reviewing the videos on this My IT Lab resource page, how to use the assignment calendar, how to find your course materials, when you're ready to start a simulation activity, whether it's the training or the exam. Here's, you know, video to do that, how to complete a grader activity. All these things will make sense to you as you start going through the coursework, but just remember that this page is here to help you. Also, please don't not look at this video. It might seem kind of counterintuitive, like I can get around and figure out how to use my e-text, but this video goes over some really efficient ways to move around in the e-text, so it's definitely worth your time. Okay, so since my timer told me I was almost done, here we go. Here is our overview. So I hope you guys can see this. So real quick, in a nutshell, I want to make sure that you've logged into Blackboard, and remember, Blackboard is going to be our hub for this class, okay? Have you reviewed the Getting Started page and all of the resources that are there, the syllabus and all of that good stuff? Check. Have you submitted the course overview and also posted your introduction on the discussion board? Please, please make sure you get those done by the due date, okay? And then last for this video is, have you been able to register yourself into the My IT Lab course? Hopefully you've done that. Remember, you can use the 14-day trial version if needed, and that way you can get started in your coursework, okay? So I hope this video has been helpful. Please email me through the course website if you have any questions. Take care. See you next time.